welcome. It's Declan here with another video. And I said I'd do this video a while back and show you my real portfolio with the Etoro. So, excuse me. So I deposited €400 initially in Etoro, and you can see I'm up to 439.42 at the moment, which I'm happy about. So the 5 companies I have shares in are Apple, Costco, Nio, Adidas, and Netflix. And you can see the average open, the amount I invested, and the profit and loss, and the percentage gain in each one. So Costco is the one I have the longest, so that has the biggest gains at the moment. But I'm much happier with Etoro because they're not leveraged shares. Like they're not going to go up or down massive amounts. But if you're dealing with leverage and a small account, it can be tricky. So I'll just show you now I'll go into the history. I'm just in the history tab now. So you can see I deposited the €400 or 409.43 in dollars on the 12th of May 2022. And when I deposited this, it went down to 3.95 because there was a conversion fee of €5. So then I invested on the same day, on the 12th of May 2022. I bought the shares in Nio, 4.56969 units. It was traded at $13.13 that time. And then on the 1st of June, it went up to, it had gone up in the next few weeks to straight at 17.78, making a profit of 21.25. So that's between the 21.25 and the 18.97. That's how you can see I'm up to the 439. So the article here on Netflix second quarter results compared to Wall Street consensus estimates as compiled by Bloomberg. Revenue 7.97 billion versus 8.05 billion expected, down slightly. Adjusted earnings per share $3.20 versus 2.98 expected. That was a big improvement. Subscribers, they lost 970,000 versus they thought they had expected to lose 2 million. Like 970,000, which is close to 1 million, is still a big amount of subscribers to lose, but it's not the 2 million that it anticipated, so it's not as bad as expected. So the streaming giant anticipated a loss of 2 million paying subscribers for the second quarter, would have been the worst quarterly decline in the company's history after the streamer lost 200,000 users in April. Netflix CEO Reed Hastings admitted on the earnings call that it's tough losing million subscribers and called it a success, probably because we didn't lose the 2 million. So that's why he called it a success. But he reiterated that the company is set up really well for the next year. So yeah, all in all, it's important to look out for the when companies are releasing their earnings. And as I said, this has caused a jump in Netflix because things have improved. It could have gone the other way, but just said I'd make this video in relation to my live portfolio and how it was going. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and take care.